In this lecture, we're going to be looking at how to create objects from a class. Let's dive right into it. First thing we do, like always, is declare our PHP tags. And again, this is just to let PHP know that we want to use or generate PHP code. So I'll give it some space and I'll write a comment. This example will, let's say, create sorry about that. Notepad does a horrible job at autofilling, so just bear with me. Again, this example will create class objects. First thing we do is define our class. Start with the keyword class, followed by the class name as we've been using. Person is our class name. Let's define our opening and closing curly braces. Give it some space. We tab over. And we're going to just declare some, let's say, class attributes. We're going to start with the keyword var to let PHP know that we want to declare class attributes. And first name, and I'll set the value to no value set. And I'll just copy this, paste this down, and just modify the part of the attribute name to last name. And I'll declare the age attribute set it to 29. And of course, as we've known as well, we know how to define a constant. So the constant name I'll use, I'll just call this middle name. And let's say my middle name or my alias name would be Unix Whiz. I love Unix, by the way, guys. After we do that, we can define our methods. So we start with the keyword function, followed by the method name or function name. I'll just call it 01, followed by parentheses, open and closing curly braces. And I'll just copy this function, go down, paste it, and just change the 1 to 2. So we have operation 1 and operation 2. We're done with our class part. So at the end, since that matches, I want to let our future programmers or my future programmers know if they're modifying my PHP script. This will be end of person class, just to let them know that this is the end of the person class where it's defined. After that, now we can actually create an object of our person class. This is the best part. Of course, we want to be able to do something with this class, so first thing we do is create an object of this person class. So we start by creating a variable. We could just call this person underscore 01. And we're going to assign, we're going to say new, followed by the class name, which is person that we use, followed by parentheses. So line 31, all it says is, hey, we want to create an object named person underscore 1 from the class name called person. So we're assigning a new reference, or we're assigning a new piece of data inside memory for the computer so we can use it for later. So again, in a nutshell, we're creating a new object called person underscore 1 from the class name called person. Easy as that. That's the most basic way to actually declare or create a new instance of a new class. So I'll just say define objects. Define new objects. Another key point of creating new objects from a class is this keyword. This is extremely important. The keyword new. That tells PHP, hey, PHP, I want to create a new object from this class. So always remember the new keyword when you're creating new objects. That's how you create an object from a class.